Mabuhay, magandang kababayan at sa inyong lahat. Anyati chismis, karuba, sikpak ka.
When I wake up, I feel cozy, yeah. Can you hold up? Don't need no coffee yet. Got no makeup. How do you look so fine? What's up, what's up?
Hi everyone! So, after 3 days na hindi ako lumabas kasi umuulan lagi, well, nandito kami ngayon sa my darn walk. Dito kami nag-walking since medyo sumilip si Haring Araw. And naghahanap kami ng area kung saan pwedeng mag-meditate daw. So, dito kami nakarating. Nasa Encantadia na naman po kami. Charot. So, look at around. Look at the nature. It's absolutely amazing. It's so quiet here.
Hello there and welcome to the show. Here on the Scots-Pinay channel, we're going to talk about being amongst the fairies in the fairy glen of Stirling.
Yeah. Look here, guys. Wow, ang ganda dito. Ayan. Wow.
In folklore, you may hear about the fairies and how they had mischievous tricks and how many a traveller across many a land just disappeared into the realm of the fairies. They snatched you away and then you came back and it's like 20 years later. There's many a tale about that, so stay tuned. Bring me my treasure. I know, here comes the fairies. Oh, okay.
Hi guys, so we spotted this area. Look at this Bonnie. Bonnie, kind of Bonnie.
Right, people. Must have been the fairy squares. Trying to give me a gift and stuff.
So today, medyo umaraw, sumilip si Haring Araw ngayon. Pero scattered shower daw eh.
We'll get much to roof.
That one. Yeah. Kaya 3 days akong hindi lumabas kasi umuulan lagi. It's always raining. That's why it's been 3 days that.
Yeah, we've been stuck indoors for 3 days now, mostly.
Especially me.
See, I'm used to it, so I know it can get you down, but just
So
have to go and bear it.
Yeah, I believe that the weather is it keeps you motivated.
Sunshine, you mean?
Yeah, the sunshine. Yeah, because if you got weather like always gloomy, like here, oh no, that's so depressing.
Think about people that live, like, close to the North Pole.
I
They get a
know.
few hours light during the winter.
I know. How did they manage to live there?
I couldn't live there. I'd be living in the dark all the time.
Yeah. Oh my God.
not cool. But people do it.
No. Some people love cold weather.
Eskimos. I don't think it's by choice. I think it's by where you're tribe born. You know? But in the days gone by when we used to have, we weren't so connected. You know, Eskimos and that would obviously learn different techniques and abilities to keep themselves warm in the winter. From like igloos to big parka jackets to even the transport of the dogs were built for the weather. Huskies.
Alaska.
Oh, well, being a snowboarder, I like the snow, so Alaska's like a paradise for me. Only for a short while. Get in, do your snowboard and get back out of there. But there's some amazing trails there. I shouldn't be getting old now, but I'm getting a bit heavier, so I should stop eating things like this.
Do you think you can still snowboard?
Yeah. What's that? I want to go away for a month to snowboard. You could do that with two of us. You can enjoy the place.
Where to?
You go to a really cheap place like Bulgaria.
Bulgaria, is that where there are people like indigenous? Whoa.
What?
Like the movie. That's Bulgaria.
No, that's the Lombards.
No.
The great Uncle Bulgaria.
Scary. But it's nice up here, guys. Look. It's a fairy glen again.
It's a nice place to meditate, so I'm going to go and meditate for a minute. Is that okay? Do not disturb.
As you can see, guys, may mga nagka-camping dito siguro. Oh, di ba? Kasi maganda itong area na to, oh. Malapit sa stream. Napakaganda dito. Okay, there. Diba? So quiet. May path dyan, papunta dun. Ewan ko kung saan lulusot. Tapos dito, ang dami pang mga, ang tawag na to, ferns. Ayan o, yung mga ganyan. Ayan. Ang dami dyan o. Diba? Napakaganda dito. Look at that. It's gloomy again. It's been raining for 1 month. Yeah. Hindi pa kami nakaranas ng straight na sunny. At least 1 week na sunny sana for summer. Kasi hindi pa kami nag-camping dahil dito sa weather na to. Kasi naranasan na namin nag-camping dati na umuulan. Shame. It's just horrible. Kaya naantay namin sunny. It's just ang ganda. It's quite relaxing when you are closer to the nature, especially when you hear the sounds of the water gushing. Diba? Ayan, yung mga naglalakihang ferns. Diba? Ang ganda. Uwi na kami kasi it's getting chilly. Andyan na naman yung dark clouds. Uulan na naman. Yung mga sinampay ko. Ayan. Summer pero maulan. Only in Scotland. The shitty weather.